Welcome back, Joe's One Pot Wonders. Today, really easy one, really easy one. You can use all the leftovers in your house for this one. It's absolutely perfect. It's a barbecue chili style chicken stew, I suppose you could call it. All I'm going to be using is the leftovers that I've got lying in the freezer and bits of veg I've got left over. So I'll have a quick run through the ingredients and we'll get going. This is so simple. So I've got a couple of smallish red onions, a few mushrooms that I had left over. Got some chicken breast fillets. I got them reduced price. I took them out of the freezer last night, so I had a feeling I'll be using them today. Some leftover garden peas, only about 50-60 grams. Same again with sliced peppers. These are just rags that I've got left in the freezer. Everyone's got little bags of stuff left in the freezer and that. Some chopped garlic, a little bit of chopped chilli, a tin of tomatoes, some salt and pepper, some basil and mixed herbs, just a small handful of each. And what really turns it on is some barbecue sauce, some chili sauce. I don't use a lot of this. It turns it perfect. Anyway, we'll get these out the way and we'll get cracking because this one's so easy, so easy. I'm a bit hungry today, so I'm eager to get it in the oven. Right, basically, just chop everything up and chuck it in the pot. I like these type of meals because you don't really know what you're going to get until you see what's lurking in the little bags that you've not touched for months in the freezer. So you could use anything you want, really, anything you want. Doesn't matter. We'll put the mushrooms in. And this goes into an oven. I've got mine preheated. I'll heat it to about 170, 180 degrees Celsius. And it just sit in there for 35-40 minutes and it'll be perfect. It sort of makes itself. I don't know what the lighting situation is like today because the sun is taking on a life of its own. Right, that's the mushrooms in. These are all just scraps that I've had lying around. Next, we'll put in the peas and the peppers, they can go in. So it's just a case of chucking everything in, giving it a bit of a mix and whacking it in the oven. So quick, so simple. It's done in minutes. Get a spoon for the chilli and the garlic. Again, I don't like to put a lot of chilli in, just a little bit. That'll do for me, to be honest with you. I'm a bit of a wuss when it comes to too much chilli. And with garlic, on the other hand, I love garlic, so I'll get a good spoon of this in. Put the chopped tomatoes in, if I can get the lid off. Good squirt of this barbecue sauce, about 20 grams. Same again with the chili and garlic sauce. Bit of salt and pepper. Give this a bit of a mix, just to push the thing. This makes a beautiful sauce. I nearly forgot, we'll put a few herbs in. Some mixed herbs and some basil. Give it another quick mix. Then we'll put the star of the show in, the chicken. You can put chicken seasoning on if you want, but I don't usually bother. I'll just I'll check it halfway and I'll give it a good stir. These just sit on top like so. And there you almost have it. Stick it in the oven, preheat the oven at 170, 180 for 40-45 minutes. I like to check it halfway. Then that's it, dinner done. I'll probably serve it with a bit of rice and that. That can go in there, 45 minutes, and we'll see what we've got. There you have it. Nice chicken stew with vegetables, barbecue sauce and stuff. I'll serve mine with some rice and some green vegetables. I always like to have a couple of 100 grams of green vegetables a day. Just helps us feel a bit better. I'll get a nice big spoon of this and we'll start spooning it out. This makes about three portions, and the good sized portions. I think the whole dish itself only comes to about 700 calories. So you could, in theory, eat the whole lot yourself. But this dish with the rice and that, I'll be having it with some of my garlic bread. If you haven't seen that video, go and have a look. It's quick and easy, another way of using up leftovers and that. I love using leftovers up. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a go. Get in your fridge and see what leftovers you've got and see what you can come up with. Just chuck it all in a dish and see what happens. Similar to my barbecue chicken one, but this is just more random. I didn't know what I was going to put in from the start. It was just a case of what's there, use it. Yeah, you'd be surprised what comes out. Well, there you have it. Don't really know what to call this one. It's called chicken leftovers. There's a good name for it. Chicken leftovers. Rice and the garlic bread and all that. I think all that comes to about 800 calories, so still a good plate of food for not so many calories. Anyway, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, do all the things YouTube likes, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.